Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Winnebago Minnie model 2301BH. So Winnebago has been around for a long time. It's a brand that everybody knows and trusts. We do have a power tongue jack up there. 29 feet 9 inches is the actual measurement. And right up front here, we do have a molded fiberglass front cap. Coming up front here, we do have very nice storage that goes all the way through underneath with a heat duct there. Slam latch doors. We do have a very nice power awning with LED lights. Goodyear tires right over here. Lipper component solid steps, which is amazing. And then right here is an outside kitchen. You have the refrigerator, nice little sink, and a gray stone cooktop there. Let's take a look at the inside. On the inside, we have very nice bunks over bunk over bunk, double over double. And what's nice about it is the bed flips up out of the way, and there's actually a door back there, so you can use this for bike storage or big types of storage. Right over there is a decent sized bathroom. Not the biggest, but definitely not the smallest. Over here we have a really nice U-shaped dinette that drops down and makes a bed. And directly across is your TV entertainment center. Storage, TV, storage underneath with a sound bar. And then right over here is your kitchen. Nice little countertop area. Storage over here, very generic, very basic. And we do have a Dometic refrigerator right here. And then wrapping up in the master bedroom, we do have a north to south bed that's fully walk-aroundable. We do got storage all the way around. Plenty of space on both sides for you to charge your phones. Also, if you need a CPAP machine. Also, there's little nooks and corners in the back right there. Storage underneath the bed. And this unit does have 2 air conditioning units. But that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Winnebago Minnie. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click that link down below, and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.